Hi, I'm BELLAMY-ZIONS, coach, rider, official, and Equine Guelph communications person, and I'm in favor of always wearing a helmet when you ride and Equine Canada's return to play rules. When I started riding in the discipline of Western almost 3 decades ago, wearing a helmet wasn't even a thought. I was practicing barrel racing when I was committed to the turn and I went one way and the horse went the other, landing me on my head, landing me in hospital. I don't remember falling off. I don't remember the ambulance ride. I don't remember the numerous questions I kept asking over and over, worrying everyone around me. After the fact, I found out that I tried to get back on. Fortunately, my instructor realized I was not thinking clearly and stopped me for medical attention. The next concussion happened years later at an eventing competition. I had qualified on 2 horses for the year-end champs and I was determined to do well. But during the stadium round, again, I had a parting of the ways. The paramedic came rushing over, but before she could get her sentence out, I was already climbing back on my horse, explaining to her that the clock was ticking and I needed to finish my round. This was before the rule came into play that a fall equals elimination. I'm quite grateful for this rule now for the future riders in our sport. The rider should not be allowed to decide whether they get back on or not, as usually their judgment is clouded. Again, I don't remember falling off that day. I don't remember getting back on or finishing my round. I finished the competition on both horses and placed. But what if I had fallen off again? We now know more about concussions and their complexity. In fact, if you fall off more than once, it can be even more complex, and especially if you fall off in short succession. I was fortunate in both my circumstances, but it left me wondering what would have happened if I hadn't been so lucky. I really applaud riders like Jackie Brooks, top-level dressage rider who started wearing a helmet when top hats were the norm. Even in sports like Western or upper-level dressage, where helmets are not mandatory, the risk of falling off is ever present. Wearing a helmet is your best defense, so keep using your head, wear a helmet, and if you sustain a fall or a concussion, seek medical help and follow the directions for returning to play. So use your head, wear a helmet, and play safe.